Sherlock Holmes is not just a character in fiction, he is a cultural icon known and admired around the world. Sir Arthur Conan Doyle created Holmes in the late 19th century, basing his method of logical deduction on his old medical professor, Dr. Joseph Bell, who amazed students by diagnosing patients simply by close observation. Doyle wanted to bring that same sharp reasoning into detective fiction. His first Holmes story, A Study in Scarlet, in 1887, was published in a magazine. Doyle originally wrote it simply to earn extra income while working as a doctor, never imagining the detective would become so popular. But popularity soon turned into a burden. Doyle grew frustrated, feeling Holmes overshadowed his more serious historical novels. In 1893, he made the bold decision to kill off Holmes in the final problem, sending him to his apparent death at the Reichenbach Falls in Switzerland. The public's response was immediate and furious. Thousands canceled their magazine subscriptions, and Doyle was pressured for years to bring the detective back. Finally, in 1901, Holmes returned in The Hound of the Baskervilles, and later Doyle revealed that Holmes had in fact survived the fall. What made Holmes remarkable was not only the engaging mysteries but also his scientific methods. Doyle's stories anticipated modern forensic science. Holmes examined footprints, analyzed bloodstains, and even discussed trace evidence. These details inspired the French criminologist Edmond Locard, often called the father of forensic science, who acknowledged Holmes as an influence on his work. Holmes became more than a fictional detective. He helped shape real investigative techniques. And he endures. More films and TV series have been made about Sherlock Holmes than any other literary character. In London, you can even visit 221B Baker Street, home to the Sherlock Holmes Museum, where fans from across the globe pay tribute. Holmes, the brilliant detective who began as Doyle's side project, continues to live on more than a century later, inspired by a real doctor, shaping real science, and leaving an immortal legacy in literature and popular culture.